After 60, sleep isn't what it used to be. You may find yourself waking up in the middle of the night, tossing, turning, staring at the ceiling, wondering why your body just won't rest like it used to. If that's you, you're not alone. Over half of all seniors report difficulty falling or staying asleep. You're not imagining it. This is real. And it affects your energy, your mood, even your health during the day. But here's the good news. There are reasons why this happens. And even better, there are natural, simple ways to support your sleep again. You see, aging brings changes to our hormones, brain chemistry, and internal rhythms. Some of those changes disrupt our nights. Others make us more sensitive to sounds, light, or even stress. But no matter how long you've struggled with sleep, you can begin to sleep deeper and wake up more refreshed, starting tonight. In this video, we'll walk together through what's going on inside your body after 60. And more importantly, what small steps you can take to invite peaceful rest back into your life. So go ahead. Take a deep breath. Make yourself comfortable. And let's begin this journey to sleep the gentle way. Part 1. What's happening inside our body? Let's take a closer look at what's happening inside your body after the age of 60, and why sleep suddenly becomes so difficult. First, it's important to understand that sleep is not just about being tired. It's actually controlled by a complex system of signals in your brain and body. And one of the key messengers in that system is melatonin. Melatonin is a natural hormone. It's released by a small gland in your brain, called the pineal gland, and it tells your body, hey, it's getting dark, time to start slowing down. It's like nature's sleep switch. But here's the challenge. As we get older, our bodies produce less and less melatonin. By the time you're 60 or 70, your melatonin levels may be half, or even less, than what they were when you were younger. What does that mean? It means that your body doesn't always get the signal to feel sleepy, or to stay asleep through the night. You might find yourself lying in bed, wide awake at midnight, wondering why you're not drifting off, even though you feel exhausted. Or, you fall asleep quickly, but wake up at 3 a.m. and can't get back to sleep. And melatonin isn't the only factor. Another important piece of the puzzle is something called your circadian rhythm. That's your body's natural clock. It helps regulate when you feel alert, and when you feel sleepy. It's influenced by light, darkness, temperature, and daily habits. But after 60, your circadian rhythm begins to shift. You might start getting tired earlier in the evening, maybe around 8 or 9 p.m. And then, your body thinks it's had enough sleep by 3 or 4 a.m., even if it really hasn't. This leads to a frustrating pattern. You go to bed early. You wake up early. And you end up feeling tired all day long. Now let's talk about deep sleep, the truly restorative kind. The phase of sleep where your brain and body go into full repair mode. This is when your muscles recover. Your memory is organized. Your immune system strengthens. But with age, we naturally spend less time in deep sleep and more time in lighter sleep stages. That's why older adults tend to wake up more easily, from sounds, movements, or even changes in temperature. Have you ever been woken up by a car outside, or by a creaky floorboard? That's because your sleep is no longer as deep or protected as it once was. Now, all of this might sound discouraging. But here's the truth. These changes are normal, but they're not permanent. You're not stuck with poor sleep forever. There are gentle, natural ways to support your body's sleep rhythms, to encourage melatonin production, reset your internal clock, and create deeper, longer rest. And that's exactly what we'll explore next. So don't worry. Your body may be changing, but with the right care and attention, you can sleep well again. Let's keep going. Part 2: The Silent Disruptors of Senior Sleep. Sometimes, poor sleep isn't just about your body. You can go to bed early. You can drink the chamomile tea. You can even turn off all your screens. But still, your mind won't let you rest. Because for many seniors, the biggest sleep disruptors are silent. They don't make noise. They don't wake you up suddenly. But they slowly chip away at your peace. Let's talk about the 3 most common ones. Backhand index pointing right 1. Medications. As we age, medications become part of our daily routine. High blood pressure, arthritis, cholesterol, mood balance. All of these often require pills. But many of those medications come with side effects, and sleep disruption is a big one. For example, beta blockers can reduce melatonin production. Diuretics may cause nighttime trips to the bathroom. Some antidepressants increase alertness at night. You may not realize it, but that innocent little pill you take before bed might be what's keeping you awake. This doesn't mean you should stop taking your medications, not at all. But it's worth having a conversation with your doctor. Ask, could any of these meds be affecting my sleep? Sometimes, just changing the time of day you take a pill can make a big difference. Backhand index pointing right 2. Emotional stress. Even if your body is tired, your mind can keep you wide awake. It often happens in the quiet hours, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., when everything feels heavier. You lie in bed, and suddenly your thoughts become loud. You think about your health, your savings, your children and grandchildren, the world, regrets from the past, worries about tomorrow. This mental chatter is real and very common in seniors. It's called hyperarousal, where the mind stays on even when the body wants to rest. What helps? Breathing techniques. Soft background music. Writing your thoughts in a journal before bed. Gentle meditations, even just 5 minutes. You don't need to silence every thought. You just need to let them pass. Like clouds in the sky. 3. Loneliness. This one is often overlooked, but powerful. After retirement, or the loss of a spouse or close friends, the evenings feel emptier. There's no more commute. No more phone calls. Just silence. And while peace and quiet can be beautiful, for many seniors, it becomes lonely silence. That loneliness turns into restlessness. You stay up later. You watch TV too long. You avoid going to bed, because sleep now means facing that quiet head-on. But you're not alone. Millions of seniors feel this too. And there are ways to fill that gap. Reach out to family regularly. Join a small community group, even virtually. Listen to calm voices online, like this one, to feel connected. Sleep doesn't just happen in the body. It begins in the heart and in the mind. When we care for both, sleep comes easier. Part 3: 5 gentle tools to sleep better. Now, let's take a moment to breathe. You've just learned how your body changes after 60, and how emotions and medications can quietly steal your sleep. But here's the good news. There are gentle, natural tools that can help. You don't need expensive devices. You don't need sleeping pills. You just need a few consistent, calming habits. Here are 5 tools that thousands of seniors have used to sleep better, and they may help you too. 1. Create a wind-down routine. Your body is like a child, it needs signals that bedtime is coming. A proper routine tells your brain, it's safe now. You can rest. Start 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Dim the lights around your home. Turn off loud or bright screens. Drink a cup of warm herbal tea, like chamomile or lemon balm. Play soft instrumental music. Read a few pages from a light book. You don't have to follow the same steps every night. But the feeling should always be the same: calm, slow, quiet. 2. Practice the 4-7-8 breathing technique. This breathing method is simple, but powerful. It relaxes your nervous system and slows your heart rate. Here's how to do it. Inhale gently through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat this cycle 4 times. That's it. It may feel a little strange at first. That's okay. Many people notice a deep sense of calm by the 3rd or 4th breath. You can use this technique when you first get in bed, or when you wake up at 2 a.m. and can't fall back asleep. 3. Avoid long naps after 3 p.m. Napping isn't bad, in fact, a short nap can refresh you. But long naps, especially late in the day, confuse your internal clock. If you nap after 3 p.m., your body may think it already had enough sleep, and that makes it harder to fall asleep at night. Try to keep naps before 2 p.m. and under 30 minutes. Set a timer if needed. Rest, but don't fully disconnect. 4. Consider natural sleep aids. Many seniors try supplements to help sleep, and some are gentle and effective. But always check with your doctor first. Here are 3 options you might hear about. Melatonin. Try low doses, around 0.5 to 1 milligram. More isn't always better. Magnesium glycinate helps with relaxation and muscle calmness. Valerian root, a plant-based remedy with calming effects. Again, talk to your doctor before starting anything new, especially if you take other medications. 5. Journal before bed. This is one of the simplest, but most powerful, habits you can try. Before bed, take 5 minutes to write in a small notebook. Write down your thoughts, your worries, your gratitude, even just a to-do list for tomorrow. By putting your thoughts on paper, you give your mind permission to let go. Your brain no longer needs to repeat the same thoughts again and again while you try to sleep. It knows, it's written down. It's safe to rest now. None of these techniques are magic, but done gently, consistently, with patience, they can turn your nights from restless to restful. Start with 1 or 2 that feel easy. Let them become part of your rhythm, and watch what happens. Conclusion. You deserve to sleep well. You've spent your life working hard, raising a family, caring for others, giving so much of yourself, year after year. And now, it's your time. Time to slow down. Time to rest, deeply, gently, and without worry. Because sleep isn't just about closing your eyes. It's about healing. It's about waking up tomorrow with more light in your mind, and more calm in your heart. And if this video helped you feel even just a little bit more understood, a little more hopeful, then I want you to know, you are not alone. There's a place here for you. Here on Golden Health Sleep, we create peaceful, natural, and practical sleep content, just for seniors. Just for you. Every week, we share videos like this, calm, caring, and made with intention. No pressure. No hype. Just real support. So if you'd like to join us, I gently invite you to subscribe. It's completely free, and it helps YouTube know that you want to see more videos like this. You can also leave a comment below. Tell us what part resonated with you. Or simply say hello, we read every word. And if you know someone else who struggles with sleep, maybe a friend, a parent, or a neighbor, feel free to share this video with them. You never know who might need it. Until next time, sleep well tonight, and wake up with peace, purpose, and light tomorrow morning. You've earned it.